Fire breathing. Fire breathing is to use up energy while you're being still in your spot. So I'm going to show you how to do it first, and then you can try if you want. So it's in and out breathing with your nose. So you take your hand, put it over your mouth like this, and then you're going to breathe in. Now, do I want you to try to do it now, or do I want you to wait until I tell you to do it? Right? So those are auditory visual cues, and you're going to do whatever you want. That's totally fine. Okay? So you put your hand over your mouth. You're going to breathe in and out with your nose slowly with your belly first, and then it's going to go faster and faster, and your body will take over. This increases energy, and this also helps like just juice you up a little bit, or burns off energy. So watch. So what's your question? Who told you that? Oh, your voice in your head. Okay, cool. Did I pass out?
No.
Is there a chance your voice in your head might be wrong? Cool. If you live that way, the rest of your life's going to be a lot happier. If you live, I am wrong all the time. I am never right, which is why all my relationships with everybody is wonderful. They tell me their opinion. You're right. Let's go do something fun. Oh, I think this. Great. Let's do something fun. I did great. Awesome. Why am I going to waste a second of my day? No, you're wrong. That was too many seconds of my time that I could have been on the way to the beach. But my world is all about joy and happiness. So fire breathing. You take your hand, put it over your mouth. You're going to breathe in and out with your nose slowly first, and then you're going to go faster and faster. And once you get the good rhythm, try to go 10 seconds or do your best. Ready, set, go. Breathe in. Breathe out. What do you feel? How many of you feel like broken? Like you're shooting like a fireball. Oh, by the way, before you do this, make sure you blow your nose. Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.